With Mobimatic you have the power of a platform that brings all the features you need to take over the mobile app business. Using just a quick and easy 3-step routine. Step 01. Build. Everything you need to build an awesome mobile app for any type of business is done with simply a drag and a drop. There are a multitude of different features that you can quickly and easily drag and drop in. Step 02. Configure. With Mobimatic's App Builder, you can see exactly what your app is going to look like as you're working on it. And exactly what it's going to look like when it's finished. Every element comes with an easy-to-use adjustment panel, so you can configure it in any way you want. Make a couple of tweaks and be done in seconds. Step 03. Click Build and download your app. Preview your app on the app previewer, and as soon as you love what you see, simply click the Build button. And the Mobimatic wizard will do the magic. For Android apps, you can get instant submission to the Play Store. For iOS, your apps will be on the App Store the second they're approved. And we will support you in this process. See how well we shape up to the competition with our bucket list of awesome features. Custom splash screens. Add unlimited content pages. Add Instagram albums and Picasso gallery. Add photo and video gallery. Social wall for comments. Integrate with your Magento store. Add RSS feeds, Amazon and ClickBank affiliate. Build unlimited custom forms. Loyalty cards and discounts. White label admin area and app previewer. App analytics and auto app updates. React-made backgrounds and icons are yours. Go viral with social share CMS. Add YouTube channels and Vimeo. Add iTunes Store and podcast. E-commerce to sell online and receive payments. Integrate with your WooCommerce store. Add content restrictions and VIP memberships. Bookings for appointments, food, places, etc. QR reader, QR coupons, etc. Click to call, contact us, email. Robust content management system. Add Facebook feeds. Add Picasso gallery. Contest and social gaming. Integrate with your Shopify store. Integrate with your PrestaShop store. Add your WordPress blog to your app. One-click ad monetization. Geolocations, maps, and geo-push. Unlimited push notifications and in-app messages. Mobimatic Ultimate is the real deal. Plus tons of easy-to-follow training to support you on your Mobimatic journey every step of the way. Mobimatic Academy. You will have access to our video tutorial library loaded with over all the tutorials you need to learn how to use all the features on the platform step by step. With these simplified videos, even a complete rookie can build any type of enterprise app in a snap. You watch, pause, rewind at your own pace. Mobimatic Business Development Forum. You will be added to our dedicated Facebook Mastermind group, where you will have the opportunity to meet, network and build alliance with other Mobimatic app developers. This is how you'll connect with future partners, be able to get instant review any time of day, get new ideas, and be inspired by the ventures of other Mobimatic entrepreneurs like yourself. Rock solid 24/7 support. Our dedicated support team is here to help you 24/7, to answer questions or solve any unexpected issues you may encounter. Email ticket. And we listen to our customers. Mobimatic has a plethora of incredible features, but if you do think of an app or feature request you don't see available, just get in touch and we'll do everything we can to make it happen for you. Plus we're going to make sure you never regret your decision. Try Mobimatic Ultimate 30 days risk-free. With a full 30-day, no questions asked, 100% money-back guarantee. We're 100% confident that you will love Mobimatic and the results it will give you, but if for any reason it doesn't work for you, if our robust support system cannot solve your query, or if you're simply not entirely satisfied, then neither are we and we refuse to keep your money. So invest today with confidence, knowing you have absolutely nothing to